Hi, welcome to Stacy and my new channel. We are Don't Worry, Be Crafty. And we filmed a couple of times trying to get an intro. And I'm just still trying to figure out how to do all the techie things. And I'm just not very techie, I guess. So I'm hoping that you'll bear with us. But we will get an intro up as fast as we can so that you can see our faces and meet us. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do a few short videos for some unboxings that I have been wanting to do. And as you can see, I have already tried to film this once on a camcorder, just couldn't get the settings right. So now I'm shooting on my iPhone, and hopefully everything is going to be a whole lot better. Anyway, my name is Jane. I love paper crafting, which is one of the types of crafts that I will focus on in this channel. And I know that there are a lot of the larger card making kits that you can purchase, and I have purchased a lot of those over the years. It doesn't hurt to support some of these small sellers. I will make sure I link all of these below on where I purchased them. But this one is Happy Birthday. A lot of the times I've noticed on the stores is when you purchase the kits, you can purchase 4 cards, 8 cards, etc. And you can choose often what sentiment you want. And I chose Happy Birthday because I seem to always run out of birthday cards more than I run out of other cards. And so what she did was she sent me one completed card so that I knew what to do. And then she has in here all of the pieces for you to make your own card. And looks like this kit includes some yellow pearls. Let's see if I can get this little guy open here. And then you have your sentiments and your little pieces. And they're just some tiny little yellow pearls. And then she sent a thank you note that just says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy, Nancy." The other store I got it from, that I got from, is Jen Unger Fine Arts. Again, same type of kit, thank you card, just thanking me for making the purchase. This card kit, that she doesn't give you a sample card, but she does show you the pictures of what you need to, of what the cards look like when they are completed. This is a variety, thinking of you and happy birthday. Very pretty cards. I love birds. And you get 4 envelopes. I just did 4 because I didn't want to order a whole lot if I didn't like them. And looks like you have your cut pieces of fabric, your cut pieces of cardstock, some doilies. And see, they're all cut to the sizes that you need to put them together. Very pretty. And then you have your cardstock. And then she tells you what you might need, because she doesn't supply anything except for basically the paper and the embellishment pieces. And let's see if I can get this out. Maybe I'll just take a couple out. But she sends you a variety of sentiments so that you can choose. Pretty little birds, like I said. And it looks like you have some lace pieces and some banners. Looks like some little flowers. And this one is from Q's Creative Cards. There were more than 4 cards in the kit, but you have to get your sentiments and print them out yourself. And when I put the cards together, I will show you. I will print those out and show you. And then she included some foam squares as an extra gift. That was nice. And how to put them together. Really nice large cards. Whoop. Yep, you should call the channel the Klutzy Crafter. And you will discover that as time moves forward, how exactly clumsy I am. But again, all of the pieces that you need to put the card together. Looks like she has some doilies as well. Cameo. So we'll see how those go together. There's some more pieces. Picture. Another picture piece here. We'll have to see, I guess, when we put them together. Then you get some ribbon. Some little flat pieces that are metal. I don't know what the pins are for. But some small pieces and then some sentiments. And that's it for this video. I look forward to putting them together, and I will put those together in a separate video.